Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to set tabs in Word. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open a Word document. Once there, we will go to the paragraph section and click on line and paragraph spacing. And then click on line spacing option. Now we will click on the tabs button and we just have to write the number of centimeters we want to use. In this case, I'll put 5. We will click OK, and as you can see, if we press tab, the cursor will advance to 5 centimeters in the document. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in the next Tech Solutions video.